Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the AMD_AGS_X64.DLL not found error in Forza Horizon 6 on Windows. This error usually appears when the file is missing, deleted, or blocked by your antivirus software. First, open Windows Security or the antivirus program installed on your PC. Go to the Protection History or Quarantine section and look for the DLL file. If you find it there, select the file and choose the option to restore, allow, or recover it. This will place the file back into the game folder. After restoring the file, add the entire Forza Horizon 6 installation folder to your antivirus exclusions or exceptions list. This prevents the antivirus from removing the file again when you launch the game. If the file is not available in quarantine, the game files may be damaged or incomplete. In that case, verify the game files through your launcher. If you are using Steam, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Forza Horizon 6 and select Properties. Next, open the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation, detect any missing or corrupted files, and automatically download fresh copies, including the missing DLL file. Thanks for watching.